If you're tuning in today, chances are you're searching for effective ways to manage your diabetes. You may have tried various medications, including metformin, but are still seeking a more natural approach to maintaining your blood sugar levels. The struggles of dealing with diabetes can be overwhelming. Constant monitoring, dietary restrictions, and the side effects of medications can take a toll on both your physical and mental health. But what if I told you there's a natural solution that could help you manage your blood sugar without the potential side effects of traditional medications? Today, we're exploring an incredible homemade tea made from Gurmar leaves, a powerful herb that may serve as a natural substitute for metformin. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of tea that not only tastes great but could also support your body's ability to regulate blood sugar levels effectively. This tea might just be the natural alternative you've been searching for. Now, if you're curious about how to prepare this tea and incorporate it into your daily routine, I'll be sharing the full recipe and instructions in the link below. You don't want to miss this opportunity to explore a potential way to enhance your health and manage type 2 diabetes naturally. Gurmar, often referred to as the sugar destroyer, has a long history of use in traditional medicine for its remarkable ability to help lower blood sugar levels. Research suggests that Gurmar may work similarly to metformin by enhancing insulin sensitivity and reducing sugar absorption in the body. This means it could provide similar benefits without the side effects commonly associated with pharmaceutical medications. People who have integrated this tea into their daily lives have reported remarkable improvements. They're experiencing fewer cravings, more balanced energy levels, and a renewed sense of hope in managing their diabetes naturally. If you're ready to explore this natural alternative to metformin, I encourage you to click the link in the description below. Discover how easy it is to make this tea and take a proactive step toward managing your diabetes more effectively. Remember, you don't have to navigate this journey alone. With the right tools and knowledge, you can overcome the challenges of diabetes. Check out the recipe for Gurmar tea now and start your journey toward a healthier future.